by the name Flamboyant Lifestyle, aka what Mankind, and the other names. Did the able brain, and this be what matter come. What be the matter where you come? Some man be where you dey, where they catch him say they have sex with a lady. Shot the pound for his wife in funeral under. Hey, he bust my mind. A man where they call him Jeru, where he dey Zimbabwe. Your wife die. This death where we all go die some. Where you do a woman being the humble himself, where you flex say you go there here 1,000 years. You there here 1,000 years, cry one day you go fall, you go die. This woman definitely locate that way, this woman die. When you check like then they do wakekeeping, you know say wakekeeping there, them for dance, you come Ghana here one at the side wakekeeping there, you know say jama then things, spa then damage and things go on and things. Where this brother man brings and shout Didi. When this brother man introduced the girl, he say he be his store. Someone the girl he be prostitute though. Brother man, on no fan what you cry say Charlie, you wife die, no be matter. I saw sell because I has to come there, yeah. You wife die, I want to be corner here no so one got down there no so nya bibia. The here can lifeless is here, yes, you know. So you no go fit do that thing. Where brother man can introduce this girl. Brother man can introduce this girl. Where he say you go funeral. Then get rooms where they will give you mattress and things where everybody will day room inside and things because people they come from afar. Some people they family and friends and things they are far away they for come meet the place where they will do the funeral. Where this brother man he then they show the nigga one because he is store because we know say your store they no go fit do something plus where then to they know say Charlie he been wife where he die so bad man no day everybody here decide. Where this brother man then they get any day room inside no, then they do the Alikoto style, then they do the Banku style, the doggy style, the Tanawa style, all them village styles no, then they do for the room inside where we keeping they go on the things. So you know since you tell the man you give them back to back. I started banana from we keeping it there na 6 o'clock. Where brother man they come ball last one. Brother man they come ball last one where some woman be in the pass the like the woman back where this woman in the Bellam Grace Mayitawe that be named Zimbabwe he named that the woman in the pass where he say Charlie sound be they come out from the room inside he said then they fear woman that thing where they do no that morning thing where they do no where people they shout village name their things no this woman they do some where the woman hear that something they pet where you pass by where you go see. Some of the door no, they not get locked, they not lock them. You see God, the way God they do things. If you can say they can't do something secret too, where they tell Pascal. So the woman go there, the woman open the door now. Where you see say brother man, in where they go up and down. It's like in Kenika where you put tomatoes and pepper and things for inside where they shake say that thing will grind well. Man they grind the something. Where the woman start to shout, excuse me to say, you see village women where they see something. Where you know be say you no be normal person. Some bro where your wife die. Some bro where your wife die. Where this woman start they shout. Where plenty people where them dey around no, then come no. Where they can't see this man. They can't see this man no. Where they come no, the man they chop first slap, buy a man, they give him swap. I sure can say the person where give this man slap no, he be the woman in bro. Hey, then slap the man and brother man no be easy. Then slap him back to back slap. Where brother man say yes, he be wife now where he die. He be in now where you do this foolish thing. Then slap him, where then strip him, where then bring him outside. Where then disgrace him, then they shot you know. Hey, you know this small matter. Then disgrace them. Where then come talk say, this man bring death. For the death, the custom he bring death because your what? It be you now, it be your wife where you die. Where you can't lie, we say this girl be your sister. You go fit see the pictures now. He did the screen top. Then disgrace them. Basa. He did this word inside. You be sorry where he did this word inside our home. If you only give your life to God, God be the ultimate prize for this word inside. Man no go do you anything. Man be what? Imperfect. So he did. Some people will talk say me dem kunu yama dey nina. Fine. Humble yourself, give your husband. Because if you jar way they talk that thing. Humble yourself, be submissive. Well, man, if you man to her, God be your God. So you too, if you respect woman, if you not just they treat woman just like that, Some men be if you guys say they get money, they be pompous and things, so then they chop, then they do fucking things for outside. If you guys say they be man, they get them their own money. If you tell way go judge you, because if you tell way give you what this wife say, he dey hand for day. Because John not talk say, you know be good say man the woman go day just alone. Them one for comot from them family, them family people them aside them come together, then you go day. Where you come, where some shoddy brain has to give you, because say the shoddy need food. You now you go see what will happen. Karma did this one inside before you will go the place where they do and they touch say we die, you will go. You will go meet that thing what for them. This be the matter where you what you can't wear me flambo. I for can't talk, then make you know what they happen for the world in what inside. If you go feel leave your comment, it be very, 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 very necessary. Leave your comment for the advice. Anything be away they want to talk about, put for the comment box inside. If you need, you go on a social media platform, sir. You go feel like then share one of videos. The name no be what too much what GH. That be the matter. I love you from the bottom of my heart. Learn. Let it do what happen. Pow!
Too much GH. We did that say Japan. A break PM Besame TV. Me share too much GH. The move for. Hey, almost sports and as entertainment. Hey, the move for. Munko so show mo. No anybody GDB. Madam I say love you.
Me dey the Isaac Odwampo. We betumi afem the great tampo. Mbrin. Wonu me nka mo ni hwe too much GH. Too much GH. Mo ye too much. Na me so me ye am fire.
Too much GH. We are boy what? Shout out to your fans and everybody who is watching Too Much GH.
The major prophet Kum Chacha. On say me catch was say, Bomaden too much GH. On say me can ye bonne pan kasi ye pe wo wi ase asondin. Asondin ti na Adam. Won hu nyame ye no nyam no. Won hu niam bi a wo hwehwehwehwe e wo other place ni ade. Cat won. Na Bomaden na be hwe too much GH. Beshe ne subscribe Bomaden o behwe pe na wa ye subscribe o subscribe subscribe na subscribe na o subscribe a na wo benya ne ma papa a wo pe ahwe nyame shira na ura.
Too much GH. Many have come and many have gone, but you are a great Kankambuka ability, worth being beheld by every optical nerves. That saith the papacy.
Keep watching Too Much GH and you'll get the best of entertainment, the best of everything you want.
My name is Ohima One. Keep watching Too Much GH. It's the best.
Keep watching Too Much GH.